No? Yes? Triangle? Ellipse? You're streaming. Cool. Are you live? Yes. Neat. Valor goes burr. Bloop, bloop. All right. Code go burr. Yes, code go burr, indeed. All right. So, I need to remember what I was doing last time. There are some things I really have to do, like this password input needs to be I think it's type equals path. There we go. And then that'll make it actually blur out your stuff properly. Slow and steady, you know, wins the race. But the login system is actually kind of working. Look at that. Oh, God, that screen, that's so good. All right, so put in my email. Go ahead. If I try to log in now, it'll say please enter your password, which obviously that's good. So we have some basic validation there. And then if I go and grab my super secret password that I literally just posted in the dev chat. Oh, you guys argued so much. Oh shoot, I kind of like kind of like Kong's Booper Media idea. Oh, that's neat. Alright. Where is my password at? Me when I don't know my own password. And I have to scroll through Honk into Pope arguing. What? Where is my... Oh, here it is. I found my password. Nice. I'm just gonna paste it in chat again. Very good. Alright, so if I put the password in and hit login, it should just... Oh my god, it'll even save it to dash. Yay, look! So it says Spike Viper, so I'm actually logged in. Now the issue is that if I refresh this, I'm not logged in anymore, which obviously is an issue. So what we have to do is we have to save the token and reuse it. So, to do this, I need to think about a secure place to store... I guess I can just make a folder. Alright, so one moment. We need to go to the client manager and actually do something with the token. So we'll do public, static, async, task, actually no result, and we'll call it store token. We're not using cookies because cookies are kind of egg. We're just gonna store it on disk. Store token. All right, so stores the current user token. So we're gonna need system.io for this certainly, but we can do if not file. Like I said, we're going to need system.io using system.io. All right, now you're gonna stop complaining. If file, or no, we have to do if not directory.exists. And we'll make this, we'll name this Valour Data. I don't even know where it'll put this on different platforms. Like, I have no clue where this is on a Mac and stuff, but who cares where it is? Because it's your token. You shouldn't be playing with it anyways, you know? Alright, so if if it doesn't exist, we just do directory.create directory Valour Data. I think this will actually put it like right on your C drive, like right there, which would be kind of funny. I kind of like that. It would not be hard to find. It's kind of against standards, but who cares? Alright. Alright. Strong disagree from Spike. I don't know, I don't like cookies, because it's really easy for a bad actor to steal a cookie because it's in your browser. If you have it on a disk and not in a cookie, it becomes much harder for someone to steal it. You'd have to actively send the file to them, which would be kind of dumb, you know? And then all we have to do is, I have to make a class. It's going to be really simple. We're just going to call it, we'll put it in OAuth because it kind of relates. We'll just call this a local token because it's a locally stored token. This is going to be the lamest class ever. It's just going to be public string token get set. Make sure that's a JSON property so it can be serialized properly, and then that's it. The object for storing a token locally. In the future, if we really want to, we can add encryption and stuff to this, which is why we're making it into an object, just to have the option to be a little bit fancier. We could actually make it so that it uses your MAC address. Oh my god, no, that's genius. I'm totally gonna do that. Alright, never mind. I have an idea now. Okay, wait, that's not a terrible idea. One minute. I need to check if there's like a fancy or an easy way to do .NET Core encrypt file. See if there's just an easy way. Oh. Really? Oh my god, they actually, never mind. I guess .NET has an encryption thing built in. We don't even have to do anything fancy. So what we can do, and it only allows the user account to unencrypt it. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, so what we do is we go ahead and we do local token, and then we're gonna have to import that. I already know. Did I put it in the wrong place? No, it's there in shared. We should have access to that. Oh, let me guess, it's not public. Why would you even make a non-public class? What's wrong with people? I know there are actual times you'd want to do it, but the default should be public, not private. Okay, a local token, token object equals new local token, and then we're just going to do token equals client secret, or what did I call it? User secret token. Yes, user secret token. Great. You're not supposed to put that there. Okay, cool. So we've created the token object, and now we're going to be all fancy. First, we're going to convert it into JSON form. So all we have to do is string JSON equals JSON convert dot serialize object. Then we just throw it in. All right, so that serializes it into JSON. And now what we do is we're going to very, very quickly think. I'm going to think. So we want to file dot create Valour data slash token. We won't even give it a file type because it's technically going to be all right. Anyways, Valour data token, and then we'll do file dot write all text async, because async is what the cool kids do these days. File write all text async, and then we'll do Valour data slash token. And what are we writing to it? We're writing the JSON to it. Great. And now we're going to do file.encrypt. Does this support Linux? I find it really hard to believe that that would support other platforms. Does it? Oh, really? One second. .NET does file.encrypt work on Linux? I'm really curious. Huh. You know what? I'm going to assume it supports it. I'm just going to assume it does. So we can do file.encrypt. And then we give the path, which is going to be Valour data slash token again. We're going to create some constants. Public, constant, string, data path equals Valour data, public, constant, string, token file equals token. Very nice. So now what we'll do is, instead of this, we'll just do data path. Boop, boop. And then we do data path. Actually, I'll get fancy and use this. Data path slash token file. Very nice. See, good coding conventions here. All the best. See, it's only supported on Windows. That's what I thought. Okay. .NET Core encrypt string. I feel like there's a way I can do this. Let's see if I can.
I've been drinking Kool-Aid cameras like I did when I was 9, 'cause I like to pretend that I haven't lost the time. In the end, the nostalgia, though it
Let's see if I can get some basic encryption work. Is it gonna say Windows unsupported on browser? Shoot. Alright, we are going to have to wait on that. I don't think that's gonna happen. Alright, anyways, that should work. And then we just have to do public stat async task local token retrieve token attempts to retrieve a prior user token. Yeah, my encryption libraries aren't going to work on a browser. It's not really that necessary to encrypt a token that's just going to be on your computer. It's kind of overkill. I just thought it would be kind of neat. We could probably add our own system for it in the future if we really wanted to. If there's no directory, we're just going to return null. And now the fun part. If file.exists this I feel like I can make this even simpler by doing public constant string token path equals that. Can I do that? Oh, alright, no I can't. But I can do read only. Public static read only. Ha! And I can make this always simpler. Yummy. If there's no token path, we return null, because then obviously there isn't a token. And then otherwise, we do string JSON equals file.read all text token path. Is there an async version? Read all text async, I knew it. IO is when it's really useful to use async, because IO locks everything up. Alright, so then we do local token equals JSON convert dot deserialize object local token JSON, and look at that, we have gotten our token, and then we're just gonna return, or we do client user, or the user secret token equals token dot token. Very nice. I'll rename this token object just so that it's a little bit less redundant. There we go. Okay, that should be good. Oh shoot. This isn't actually going to return anything. Okay. Great. So that should do that. That should do that. That should do that. Okay. Great. So we need to create a new thingy that is public void initialize with token. Try initialize with local token. Oh, hot. Async task. Try initialize with local token. This is just going to attempt to do it. So it'll do retrieve token. Oh wait, retrieve token, and then we'll say if token or if user secret token is not equal to null and it's not null or white space. Actually, I'm gonna do this the protective way. This will just cancel. Cancel if no token is found. Fun. Okay, and then if we have a token, we're going to try to initialize the user. Oh, shoot. We're gonna need an HTTP client. HTTP for that, guacamole. Alright, well, no worries if you don't think it'll get there in time. I'm probably gonna wait until like January because it seems like everyone's having some issues getting things in on time, so I don't want to be mean. Okay, so that should do it. And we get when task result equals. Okay, and we'll just we'll return this actually. Task result, and then we'll do return new task result false. Failed to retrieve local token. Alright, that should be happy. Why isn't it happy? Because it's not static. Now it's static. Tries to initialize the user client by using a local token. Alright, so when does this have to run? Well, this needs to run when the damn thing runs. Oh, actually, if user is not equal to null, we're going to go, hey, there's already a user logged in. Alright, that's another case that can happen. So now when the app starts, this is the login thing, so we're actually just going to right here do user client manager, or client user manager, dot try initialize with local token. Oh wait, throw that HTTP client in. No? Why can't I await it in there? That's a little bit worrying. Alright, so we'll just do task result. Equals that dot result. Okay, the question becomes, is this going to work? Considering that was a lot of code, there's always the chance that it will go horribly wrong. But that's okay. Part of the fun, right? Part of the fun. Alright. Time for it to throw 80 exceptions. Oh, well, we got in. Are there any exceptions? No, nothing too worrying. Ooh, okay, where did it put the file? I'm curious. It didn't put it... Oh, shoot, I'm an idiot. I never made it save it. Okay, we need to make it so that when in the login component, when we actually successfully initialize the user, we need to actually store that token. That's helpful. Store token for future use. Okay, that should be better. Yeah, not storing it creates issues. Password is password. No exception, no exception, no exception, no exception. Okay, I'm in. And any errors? That's the question of the day. No error. That's good, but where did it put it? Okay, that's not what I want. I'm really curious where the hell it put it. Did it just put it in the project client? Aw. Well, that's kind of a meme. There's no way for us to know where it went. No! Okay, I guess I could look for it. I mean, I can just search for Valour data and just pray that it finds something. Nope, I don't think it's going to find it. There's the chance it didn't actually work. Unfortunately, on the client, you can't really debug, which makes it very challenging. Okay, Blazer, Oh. Storing user settings in a Blazor WebAssembly application. I probably should have just looked at that. Well, that's not very fun. Alright, we're going to need to do this in a more fancy way than I originally thought. I guess since it's a browser application, this is actually just doing nothing, so we have to come up with a better way to do it. It's alright, I'm a pro, right? There's a package for this. I'm curious. Well, that's helpful. Okay, so if we're using that... Startup.cs. We're gonna have to add the service. Services dot add Blazor local storage. Okay, cool. Gotta go to our imports.razor. We'll put it down here at using Blazor.local storage. Alright. Okay. Alright, this gets a little bit more complicated. So we'll put this up here for our local storage. That's fine. It should still run, I think. I don't know. Blazor can be a little finicky with importing. Uh-oh. It's not loading. That's not good. Why is it not happy with me now? Aw, jeez. Did I screw something up? Ah, shoot. What did I do? Oh, actually, I can check what I did. have it in the console. There is no registered service. Okay, so it's gotta be the order? Because I definitely did add that to... Oh, did I add that? No, that's the server. Ah, dummy. Did I add it to the server instead of the client? Ah, jeez. Yeah, that'll do it. Where is my installed? No, I put it on the client. Why does the server have a... Oh, this is pretty wacky. I don't know why it even had access to that. That's weird. Alright, so we want this to be in... Wait. Jeez. Well, they sure made this complicated, didn't they? Okay, there's a Microsoft component for this. We're just gonna use that instead. Whatever. I'm gonna default to what makes more sense here, which is using the Microsoft version, even if it's like in a beta, whatever. It's encrypted as well, which is one of the things that I said before I'd like. So, all right. Protected browser storage. Install. Huge fan. Alright. You should be happy. Right? Never know when you install a new dependency if Blazor's just going to give up on you. And I have to remove the Blazor thing, which is in somewhere. Where is it? Imports, 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 imports. I know where it is. It's in imports, imports, imports. All right. Wait, what do you mean? I just fixed that, you egg. Oh, damn it. What is that complaining about? That's not a good error, that's a bad error. Oh, shoot, that's not good. And that's not gonna go away, is it? Damn it! Which one is it that's not... This supports... .NET Core App. This supports... Huh. It seems like this one is the newer one. Even though it only has 800 downloads. Really on the bleeding edge of technology here. Alright, we'll use that one, I guess. So we have to do at using Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.Components.Protected browser storage. Nice. Okay, now how do we use it? That's the better question. How do we use? I'm gonna assume there's something we can inject, and I'm gonna assume there's some sort of service, so... At inject. Storage. Oh, protected browser storage. Storage. Okay. Is that going to work? No. No, it won't. It's gonna say there's no service. Yeah, alright. Where are we registered? Oh, this is okay. This is where it is. Builder dot services dot add protected browser storage. Oh, huge fan of your work, protected browser storage. Fantastic. Okay, we want to try this again. Okay, but I did the thing. It should actually be working now. What do you mean there is no registered service? Oh, I need to actually probably register it. Don't know where that is in here. Builder.services. Oh, you know what? This probably has to go before this. I'm gonna try to reverse this and see if it helps. This dependency injection, so much fun. No. Alright, it's not happy with that. This is gonna be a fun time, isn't it? Oh. Alright, so... When is that server? Okay, that's fine. We want RC1. Ah, jeez. Okay, I guess that's not the right one either. Okay, so what is it? It's on the shared framework now, of course it is. But where is that? It can't be that. It's gotta be this one, no? What the hell is going on? Oh, a NuGet package is no longer needed. Oh, shoot. Alright. Got it. Cool. It's just a part of .NET now. Cool. So if that's true, then I guess we don't need the thingy in startup. Or in this. Okay. So that brings up the question, where is it? Do I even have a new enough version of, okay, one moment. .NET dash version. Oh. How do I get the version? I just want to know the version. Info? Maybe it's info. Damn it. What? How do you find the version now? Dash version. Alright. Dash version. 5.0.2 preview. Okay, that looks fine. So okay, so let's see if I do using Microsoft ASP.NET Core Components.web.exe. We don't have that, do we? No, that's the old one. What is the new one? The ASP.NET Components.serve. That's not the right end. We don't want it on that end. Oh, damn it. This is a headache. This is actually a headache. I just want to say that works. Alright, so I'm just dumb. This isn't going to happen. Alright. Which brings us back to having to use the other one. That's fine. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back to the club. What a headache. Okay. Whatever. We'll do builder.services.add laser local storage on the client side, where it should be. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Come back. Where's my imports at? It's gotta be somewhere. No. Alright. Imports. Using Blazor.local storage. Cool! And then we got... Oh my god. Spook 2 dash is not 1. Yeah, I know. Okay, calm down. Alright. Kill that. Go back to our app.razor inject local storage service local storage. Okay, please just have mercy. Mercy. No mercy, really? No registered service. Screw it, I'll do it manually. Where's this stupid startup thingy? Alright, if you're not gonna do that, I'm going to be forced. Builder.services.add scope. Blizzard.local storage service. I told you I would do it manually, so I will do it manually. I'm sure that won't break anything. This and this should do like the exact same thing, which is a little bit worrying. That is concerning. But if it works, right? It worked! What? Wait. Alright, whatever. Screw it. It worked. I'm going to just pray that it actually works. Okay. Let's see. So now if we go to app.razor, I can... in the user manager thingy... Okay. Why did that work? Oh well, I won't think about it too hard. Alright, so when we create the token here, we want to store it. Just don't think about it too hard, and it makes more sense. Not really, but... Okay, so all I have to do now is this should be way simpler. This should be way simpler. It's not even really necessary to do this, but I'm still going to just in case we want to add more in the future. So now all I have to do is await storage dot add or set item and then we get the key and we'll just call it token. Oh my god, it can take any. Okay, I don't really trust that, but I'm kind of curious what'll happen. I can just throw anything. It's got to use Newtonsoft. It's got to use Newtonsoft on the back. That's beautiful. All right, huge fan of that. Huge fan. Huge fan of that. Massive fan of how that's working. Okay, that's cool. Pass that in. Actually do this. I don't even need to do this. I can just put. Seriously, this is spoiling me now. I can just do storage dot get item async. Oh my god. Oh, this is spoiling me. What a API we have here. Really? Damn, 2 lines. Oh, that's much cleaner. All right. Okay, so all we have to do is pass the storage in here and pass the storage in here. And that's it. Let's see if it works. No! Don't give me build errors. None of that BS. Where is this? Oh shoot, we have to do the inject storage. Okay, that's cool now, right? Storage. Alright, dependency injection. What a great invention that totally is not abused by me at all. Alright, please work. Yes. Yes! No, please actually go to the login screen. Damn it. Oh, what is it this time? Excuse me? Oh, that's a weird one. F.Razor line 11. I have a feeling, yeah, it's this. We can't do this. Shoot, so that can't be async. Okay, that's a little bit sad, but that's alright. Which means all of this has to be non-async as well. Ah! Really? That's kind of egg, I won't lie. I'm not a huge fan of that. Alright, fine, 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 fine. I don't know why that's an issue. It's kind of weird. But everything's kind of weird, isn't it, if you really think about it? Really thonk about it for a bit. Why can I use async everywhere else, though? I don't understand. No, but legitimately, oh, I guess that's not... Huh. I can use it here, but I guess just not in the main app part. Kind of awkward. No! Oh, that's gonna be ugly. I don't like that at all. I can't even do that. That's not a thing. Ah, shoot, I had a feeling there would be an issue like that. Alright. I'm going to find the actual reason that I can't do this, rather than rip all my code apart and make it ugly. There's a problem beyond the problem. Alright, why can't this be... Blazor WebAssembly async in app.razor. Okay. Oh, you know, I can do it. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I'm really dumb, because I can just go down here and I can do on-initialized async, which is... where is it? Yeah, I can just do this here. Yeah, that works. Okay, ready? Let's see if we have any luck now. Yes! Okay, that made me way overexcited, but the fact, please no errors. There's an error, that's not fun. Object not set to a reference of an object. Retrieve token. Oh, shoot. Yeah, that's true. That's probably true, because when we tried to originally retrieve the token... Okay, so... Where's that retrieve token? Retrieve token. Nope, that's fair. That's fair. That is a legitimate mistake I made. Okay, but we're close. We're close. This is very close. Come on. No errors. No errors. No errors. No errors. No errors. Let's go. No, when I refresh the page, I should still be logged in. Damn it! Okay, so what exactly went wrong there? Shoot. When I console.writeLine, does it write it into the JavaScript console? Because that'd be kind of neat. I never even thought about that. Why is it... So we don't have an error. That's the worst kind of issue. Okay, but first off, I just want to see if I can, console.writeLine token result.message. Does that come out on the JavaScript console? Because that would be really neat. That'd be really quite cool. You see, I didn't even think to look at the JavaScript console before, and I just thought that there was no console I could use for this, but if you open it up, we do actually... Oh! Oh, we do! Damn! Okay, that is hot. That makes things a lot... Okay, so it failed to retrieve the local token, which is expected. From the first time, right? But when... Okay, so I can actually add a bit of helpful stuff. Let's go ahead and inside of this client user manager. Okay, so now that I know that we can debug the C# into the JavaScript console, that makes things a lot simpler. Okay, we can go ahead and just do WriteLine, and then we can do stored user token in local storage. So we can make sure that that actually runs. Very nice. Alright, so now with that, we get a little bit more debugging, and we can just check if things are running when they should be. Notice how it never said that it was storing it. Alright, so where is that happening and why is it not happening? It never said it stored it. Alright. We're gonna hunt this bug down now. Now we've got it. We've got it in our grips. Because this is the login component. And when we initialize user... let's go ahead and just do this. And we'll do a little bit of debug here. Initialized user. And we'll do user.username Yeah, those squigglies are because I'm editing the code while it's running. It doesn't like that. Unreachable code. Oh, shoot. No, you're right. Unreachable code. We're doing it after the return statement. I am such a pineapple. Jesus. Okay, yeah. I had it after the return. Of course it wasn't going to run. Alright, this is it. It's gonna work. And I am confident now. Alright. I don't even want to see how many tokens I've made in the database, because each time I test, I add another token. Let's check the tokens. Oh my god, there's 28 tokens for my account. One sec, I'm just gonna drop them all. How nice. Tokens go burr. Alright, they're deleted now. We shouldn't need 28 tokens anymore. Honestly, the system should just send the same token again if you already have a token in the system. It kind of makes more sense. Okay, let's see. Initialized user, store user in local storage, F5. No, yes! Oh! 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 Oh, it worked! It did it! It did it! Oh, look at that. Oh my god! Oh, wow! Login persistence, boys! Alright, the question is how persistent? Because we should be able to close this, open it again, and still be logged in, I think. Come on. Yes! Oh! Login persistence. Let's go. Oh man. Okay, so now we need to make it... Yeah, I was about to say, Coco. We need to make it skip that login page. So what we have to do is we need to make it so that the login component is only run. Okay, so why this is happening is because when it first starts, we're going, are they logged in? But they're never going to be logged in at the very beginning. So this needs to go. Can I run it before the page initializes? I wonder if there's something I can do before. Override. This should run before that, I think. Honestly, all I have to do is just get it to run before. Shoot, there we go. Oh no. Uh-oh. You know, I'm gonna do this and pray that it doesn't break anything. I'm sure it still seems to see it as an override, so I'm gonna say that's fine. Nope, it's still before. How do I skip that? Oh, I know. I know how we can do this. Watch this. This is what we call a pro gamer move. Oh no, I can't do that until we have the thing. Damn it. Okay, Blazer run before initialize. Okay, 1 second. What we'll do is we'll make a new... I got it. I know how to do this. Alright, I got a plan. This isn't super fancy, but we'll do bool tried initial login equals false. Then after this is done, we'll do tried initial login equals true. And then we'll wrap this all in if tried initial login, then we render everything. Alright, let's see how this works. Hey! Okay, so we get kind of a black screen for a moment, but I actually know what we can do for that. I've got a plan. We're gonna get the app page. Watch this. This is pro level. So we're gonna get the fancy index.html. Here we go. And we're going to turn. Oh, can I put a Blazor component in here? Probably not. No, I can't. That's a little bit unfortunate, but whatever. I'm gonna make a Blazor component. Shit. Oh, I would have really liked that. Add new item, or yeah, new item. I'm gonna add a new component, Razor component. Where's my Razor component? All right, and we're gonna call this loading.razor. And all we're gonna do is we're going to make it look exactly the same as our. Damn it! I keep losing everything. I'm gonna bet. Oh, there it is. All right, so all we have to do is we just copy this. Here is loading.razor. Nice. And then we go over to the app.razor and we do else loading. All right, and then we hit it. And look at that. You don't even notice. One login page. Oh, wow. You don't even get set to the okay, so now we have to make sure that this works if you're not logged in. So let's go ahead and delete my token, which there should only be one of. There is only one of. So we delete my token, which means that I no longer have the right to log in. We get the Valour page, and then it sends us to this. We log in, Nice. Oh, I am very happy with that. Oh, fantastic. All right. I'm very excited to push this one. Login, persistence, and local storage. All right. Oh shoot, you know what? Neat. Okay, I'll have Honk work on that. Go over to the GitHub. I cannot believe it. That is a huge, huge update. Now I just have to add registration and reusing the same token, rather than creating a token every time. Check if there are any tokens that still have already. So what we can do is auth token equals null, right? And then we can do, if there's nothing, we do that. We'll do token equals context dot auth tokens dot first or default async. Oh shoot. X dot FID equals Valour and X dot user ID equals user dot ID and scope, or X dot scope equals permission dot full control dot value. So we're gonna check if there's already a token, and then we're gonna do if token equals null, we create a new one. Otherwise, we're going to get the old one, and we're going to set the time to datetime.utc. We're basically just going to reset it. So we're going to set the origination time to now. We're going to set the expiration to datetime.utc now Add days 7 because our tokens are going to last for a week after they're last used. And then we just have to update it in the database. Is update async a thing? No, I didn't think so. Alright, so now it won't make 8 million tokens. It'll just reuse the same one. This also means that different devices can use the same token, which is kind of useful. Ooh. Although we may want to verify it's the same device. If we're going to use the same token. Honk. I'll yell at honk. But this should work, I mean, at the very least. It's about storage and security and implications, you know. Are you going to add Easter eggs? Probably. There's Easter eggs in my code comments. Ugh. Alright. I think this is good for now. I have to add user registration right now because currently you have to use an API route. Yeah, we need to do a token per device. That's what I was thinking. Because we don't, if you log out, we don't want you to be logged out of all of your devices. So, we'll do if token equals null. So, the token's going to need to have something new. So, when we do auth token, we're going to add a field. Public string MAC. I think I can get the MAC address. The MAC address of the device that requested this token. MAC equals. How do I get the MAC address? .NET for get MAC address. Oh Jesus, that's not easy. Oh. That's no fun. Alright, never mind. We won't use Mac. What will we use? The questions begin. Oh, to log out, we can just have it delete it locally. Yeah, no, that's not an issue. I'm being dumb. We can just delete the local storage of the key if you want to log out, and the token will still be okay. And then we can make it so that you can delete the token, and it'll kick everyone out at once, which is actually pretty good to have. Yeah, this is unnecessary. Oh. Yes, Coca, you are correct. We will add a remember me for the token storage. Alright, so this should log me in still, right? Yeah. I don't know, that loading time isn't terrible either. Welcome back. Yay. I am back. This shouldn't say test user, though. Interesting. That should say Spike Viper. But I think it's because of how I'm doing everything else, the way I'm doing get author and stuff. So I'm not going to worry too much about that. I have to add the registration page. Registration page is pretty exciting. We go to the... I'm gonna have to add a new Razor page. Call it. Register. I don't really care about that. Okay, it just was dumb. I guess I'll have to redo all of this myself. At page slash register. And we'll just, for now, just do H1. Register good. Yes, loading time is slower because it's in a dev environment. Okay, so register good. And then an app.razor. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do this exactly, but it's... Where am I going? I need the login component. Here we go. We need to add a on-click register. And then we're just going to go over here, and this button, where is it gonna go? At on click equals on click register. When you click register, it's actually going to send you to a different page. Like that. I don't know if that'll actually work. I haven't tried similar. Oh shoot, I can't hit the register page unless I log out. And there is no logging out yet, so time to delete my token. Nice. Reload. It's gonna be like, wait, you aren't logged in anymore. Hit register. And there's nothing. Yeah, that's an issue. So it did send me to /register, it's just that it doesn't seem that it really cares at all. Uh... Ah, forced load. Okay, forced load. True. Let's see if that'll do it. Oh, that certainly does change the page, but it doesn't go where we want it to. The register page should be different than the app page. What is the normal? I feel like we screwed something up here. I want to look at what a default app.razor is like. So there's a very easy way to figure this out. I'll just make a test project. Because I feel like we put way too much in the app thing into that. It's not really formatted how it should be. Blazor app. I want a test Blazor. Cool. Create it. Yeah, we want all this cool stuff. Okay, how do you have your app.razor set up? And that's what I thought. This should all be moved. I had a feeling it should all be moved. This all... Because if it's found, then... Yep, okay, so this channel page which is the old testing one. Okay, wait. Still gotta keep this at the top here. Stop it. format it properly, throw the code in here. All right. I could be wrong with what I'm doing right now, but I believe I am correct. I think that we threw everything into the main thing, and that's not really how you're supposed to do it. So we can do this. Simplify this down to this. Don't actually need any of this in the main class. That simplifies down to that. Oh, we actually do need cool tread initial login. Okay, so that's good. Now in here we do the what is the main layout? Where is that? I think we deleted that. Oh no, here it is. That's what I thought. This will probably look really weird. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, I'm fixing this. We really screwed this up. Alright, so the main layout, we're just gonna put the body in. And that's fine. Okay. Then an app.razor, we want to navigate it to navigate to /channel true. Alright, that's a little odd. Okay, I don't want to do that. Alright, let me just test this and just see if /channel is what I think it is. Oh shoot, yeah, because this should actually... We can actually get rid of this, put it here. Alright, this goes through. They get sent to the login. We do the login. Yeah. I think Jacob just kind of gutted the entire way Blazor is supposed to work, which is fine. We'll figure it out. Because now that the user is initialized, it should go /channel. Yeah, okay. And see, now we're actually in the channel page. Similarly, now if we go to /register, it brings us to the so now we can actually use pages. So what we need to do is we need to make the default page the channel page. Or at least after logging in, we will set. We'll do if this is a little bit hacky, but I can do if nav manager dot current, or how do I get the current thing we're at? URI equals slash ah, shoot. Jacob, this entire thing was a hack. You got rid of the entire routing system. You got rid of the entire routing system in order to try to get it to work. I'm fixing that now. Okay, navigate to /channel. True. And return. Okay, so this should send us directly to the channel now. No, what is this? What is this hello world?
I'm putting you in command of the spaceship.
Where is it sending us? This is probably what the channel actually should be. Hello world, welcome to your... So that's not the layout. Where... Is there an index somewhere? Index dot... Oh, shoot. Okay. So this should be here. Coolio. Alright, so channel.razor gets absolutely yeeted. Because he's now unneeded. Let's get rid of this because we don't need that either. Okay, but now we can use pages. Alright, so now if we hit play on this, it'll go through to the correct page, I think. Yes! Alright, and now we can use pages. Okay, fix Jacob's gutting of the page system. Big fan. Huge fan. Huge fan of just gutting the entire way Blazor works in order to get it to work, Jacob. That was That was pretty impressive. I'm surprised it even worked at all, considering you removed the entire routing component. I have no clue how it was working. It's magic. Alright. So this leaves us with good. We can log in, and now we have a register page, which can be like the login page, but better. Yeah, so like that app.razor is just supposed to send it to pages. And instead you literally got rid of the page sending and just like shoved the entire channel code into it. So now we can actually have multiple pages. It's very exciting. Very exciting stuff. Okay. It makes sense to have the login stuff on here, though, since you have to be logged in for the entire app. Alright, so now register.razor, we can go ahead and, honestly, we should, same thing here, I guess I'll keep login as a component. There's no reason to really not. Where's my login component at? Here's my login component. We need this anyways. We're literally just going to steal this pretty much. Register good. Alright. Register for Valour. Welcome to our... welcome to our app! How exciting. Okay, so we need email, so that's correct. Code. Public. Or we'll just do string email. String password. String user. String username. Great. Input fields. Okay, email. And then we have to do spans, which is the things that they actually say back. So string email span, string password span, string username span. Alright, so now we're going to do a private async task on click submit mouse event args e. That'll make on click submit happy. Very cool. Then we have to do validation and stuff, which is great, but we're missing something here. We're going to do email. Put username first, since people care about that the most, really. Username. Username. Username span. Oh. Okay, great. So that'll bind. Now if we go IIS Express, we should be able to pop this open. And... oh, I have to not be logged in. I need a logout button. I may just... someone should just throw a logout button down here for me. That would be very kind. Jacob. Alright, delete my auth token again, because who needs tokens? Register. I hit register. That's not right. Okay. What is the login component? / register. Wait a second, it even has the, what? Oh, shoot! Ah, I see. Or... we need the register page to be able to be accessible. Or nav manager dot URI equals register. Yeah, if you're on the registration page, it's okay if you're not logged in. Fun fact. Damn it. I knew that wasn't going to work. Okay, so what is this? Console dot right line nav manager dot, I swear if it's the entire thing, I'll be sad. That's what it's gonna be. It's sending the entire thing. I already know it. It's the entire thing. But I only want the end bit. That's the issue. Oh shoot, it won't even go there. So why would I put that there? This has to be here. Ah. To register an account, please log in. Yes, that's exactly what's happening. We are professional programmers. We think ahead. There's no way to break into the system. Wait a second. It doesn't even have... Oh, yeah, it has the whole thing. I knew it. It has the entire thing. Okay, this is going to be a little bit hacky, but I know how I can do this. Dot split it at the slashes dot last. Wow, that is awful. That is not a good solution. That is a terrible solution. It'll work though. Yep, I knew it would work. It's just an awful solution in every way. Very nice. I'm gonna change that though because I feel like that's breaking a law. That's too hacky even for me. I'm not happy with it. And this need a bit more margin. Imagine what Microsoft would say if they saw this. This is probably what they would suggest. They'd be like, just make it work. Okay, so I guess we'll put the login code. Oh, we'll put the login code onto index because I guess the other pages, I guess we'll just have it per page. Cleaning up one thing at the expense of making others more messy. Alright. So, gotta do this. Throw this here. Very nice, very nice. This just got simpler, which is nice. Shit, I mixed these up. This needs to go here. And this needs to go here. Alright, how about that? Okay, let's see how that works. Ah! Beautiful! That's actually really good. Now what I want to do is something a little bit more fun. Because I'm an egg. Okay, ready? Time to have a little bit of fun. I want to make a Hunk's logo thing work. Use the new main.j. Okay, I will try. I mean, Honk's code here actually does look really good. That's a thing. Alright, let's see if I can get it to work. Loading.razor. Ugh. He's got main nudge. Damn it, Honk. Yeah, that's technically correct, so shut up. There's nothing wrong with it. It really does not like his JavaScript. Wow. Ah, this has to be moved to... okay. Where's my add file? Loading.js. Yeah, loading.js. Put his guacamole in there. Very nice. Okay. I'm sure there will be no repercussions for this whatsoever. And now on the actual index.html. Oh wait, no, that's not right. It's gotta be, JS/loading.js. Very nice. It's still not gonna work. I know it's not gonna work. It's gonna throw like 1 billion errors in the console. Hey, it didn't throw 1 billion errors in the console, but it doesn't seem to be working at all. Wait! Yo, it worked! Not really, though. It's kind of glitching out. Alright, 1 second. That was kind of working. Is it because he changed the style.css? We will see. Knowing Honk, he probably did change it. Come on. Yo, it works! Oh my god, we've had success! Oh wow. Damn, we've got the rainbow loading icon. Oh wow. That is hot. Okay, I need to make it a little bit faster though. Loading.js. What does he have the interval? Oh my god, I hate Honk. Why does he obfuscate everything? Ugh, what a guy. That's pretty hot. honestly, his code kinda sucks, and I'm going to improve it. No offense to Honk if he's watching, but why is he getting on every single frame? Oh, because the page can change. Oh. Yeah. No, this still sucks. I think I can make it work better. Java, unminifier. Okay. Here's Honk's code. We're gonna make it better. We're gonna do var d equals this. Then we're gonna do var, because then we're not constantly getting it from the document, which should be much faster. Oh no, that looks bad now. That's because it's switching to the new loading page. I see. And is that because of what I did? Or is it still gonna look like that even if I switch it back to Honks? Just feels wasteful to be getting it from the document constantly. The issue is when it changes pages, it loses its color as well. Oh well, you know what? This is fine for now. I really shouldn't be worrying about this. Cool. Damn it, who pushed? Is it going to try to kill mine? Who contributed other than me? Who was it? Jacob, make channel list look better. Oh, good. I will see how your new channel list looks after I add registration. We need this background image as well. This is really boring right now. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead. Clean up a little bit. Close all of these hundreds of files I have open. Because damn, there are a lot of things open. Okay, so now we need to do something else in the user controller. User controller. Where's the user controller at? Oh, why do you do this? Okay, great. When we register a user, we want to do that. We have to make a few thingies very fun. Public, async, task, public async task, task result. Actually, no, this, public async task, that's fine. Test email, string email, allows checking if a email meets standards. All right. I'm going to find some regex because Punk has not gotten me the regex I need. Regex for valid email. I'm sure someone did it. Uh-huh. Oh, Jesus. Oh my god. Alright. That's fine. If that's what it is. That's wow. Okay, let me see if this thing built into C#. .NET, check if email is valid. Oh, they just made their own. Wow. It's kind of lazy, Microsoft, just showing me. Okay, whatever. We're gonna make. I have a password manager, so I guess I'll just add a new. Oh my god. Oh, we already have an email manager. Okay, so we'll just add a public static regex email regex equals new regex, and that is a beautiful pattern. So glad. I am questioning it. Oh no. Oh shoot. I need to make it a literal. And I have to escape things out. Oh, this is actually killing. Okay, but why am I unable to escape that? And that. Shoot, why are my escape characters not working? Oh, it's because I added the @ Ah, okay. So I escape that. I escape that. That's angry. That is a literal slash. So we have to add a second one. Wow, this sucks. Oh my god, it recognized it. Wow. It actually syntax highlighted it. Damn. I am impressed by that, I'm not gonna lie. Eh. Ah. I have to get rid of the spaces as well, I guess. That one seems angry. I don't know why. But I will fix everything else that I physically can. Oh, jeez. It's not recognizing this part, though, which is a little bit worrying. Oh god, this is awful. Where'd that page go? Oh shoot, really? That's a thing? Okay, wait, that's way simpler. Okay, one moment. Oh my god, okay, mail address equals new. No, that's way better, yay. Okay, try catch return new task result true. Email was valid. Oh, I like that more than the regex solution. That's how all the cool kids validate emails. Am I right? Alright, so we can test the email. Okay, so we already check if there's a duplicate. Okay, public async task result test password, or not test password, test username. String username. So there's a few things we want to check. If username, or if username dot length is greater than 32, return new task result. False. That username is too long. If okay, now I want to make some regex, legitimate regex. Public regex username regex equals new regex. All right. All right, so that makes us that usernames can have, there will be nicknames for servers. So that means usernames can have A through Z, capital A through capital Z, 0 through 9, and underscores. I also think dots are fine. I don't care if someone has a dot in their username. Or a dash. I think that's fine. All right. So then all we have to do is if regex dot, oh no, if username regex dot is match username if it's not a match, we say usernames must be alphanumeric or plus. Underscores, dashes, and dots. Actually, I don't think dot's a good idea. Because someone could just throw a dot behind their name. And it would be really hard to tell if they were actually the same person. Okay, return new task result true. Leave and username is valid. All right, so this actually doesn't have to be a task, and neither does this. So now we have to do a little bit more. Task result, email result equals test email email. If email result success, turn email result. Gotta do the exact same thing again for the username. Test username username. And if username result isn't a success, we return it to let people know. Alright, cool. Very exciting. Alright, that should all work. Now we have to do one thing. Alright. We're gonna go over to our register page and make it work. Register.razor. How exciting. Alright, so when you click submit, we're going to do a call. Task result equals HTTP dot. Actually, for safety, we're going to do string JSON equals HTTP dot get string async. And all we have to do is user slash register user. Oh, no, it's more complicated than that. Because we have to do a string form or encoded user name equals HTTP Alright, this is in the login page somewhere. I will just copy it. Login component. What is it? Yeah, whatever this is. Oh. Gotta encode it so it can go into a URL. Encoded email. Email. Encoded password. Password. There was a YouTuber named Spike Viper who looks a lot like you. Yes, I've heard this before. Alright. And username equals encoded username. And email equals encoded email. And password equals encoded password. Task result equals JSON convert deserialize object into a task result. The JSON we got back if not result dot success password span equals result dot message. How long will it take to get it up and running? I don't know. It's a lot of work, but it's getting closer. A few weeks. I want to get the first version out by Christmas. So, alright. And then we need to ensure that we clear out the spans. Whew. If email if string dot is null or white space email span equals please input an email return. Password, or yeah, password, please input the password. I just realized we're going to need to have translations as well, which means all this stuff is going to have to be localized eventually. This'll work for now, but not everyone speaks English, so we'll need a localization file and people to translate. Ugh. Okay. Alright, let's see if this works. Ugh. Register. I'll use my other email. Albright at roofermedia.com. Oh, wrong one. Spook. And then we'll just do pineapple pizza. No, we'll do, you know what? Password 123 exclamation point. Oh, I got hit by my own password verification. Nice. Alright, so that should work now. Spook. Password 123 exclamation point. Oh, email. Ah, please log in using the code that was emailed as your password. That is correct. We'll go to my... Oh, I probably shouldn't just leak all my emails. That's probably a bad idea. Valour registration. It emailed me the password. Boom. I need to get rid of the spaces at the end of it. Okay. Oh, now I have to actually log in, I think. Why is it just saying initialized user successfully, not actually bringing me in? Oh. Alright. I think I just had to make that true there. Okay, can I log in with that account now? Oh, yes I can, because it logged me in immediately. Neat! Alright. So let's go ahead and push that. And it's done. You can register now. How exciting. Of course, you would need the database credentials in order to actually run this now on your own local machine. But you can set up your own test database. Okay, so this looks good. That's enough for now. I'm going to take a break. Break time.